Welcome back to Ignite Math. In this lesson, we learn how to divide by 5 using doubling. Doubling is add the number by itself. To divide by 5, double the dividend and remove last 0. 45 divided by 5, doubling of 45 is 90, remove last 0, the answer is 9. 60 divided by 5, doubling of 60 is 120, remove last 0, the answer is 12. 75 divided by 5, doubling of 75 is 150, remove last 0, the answer is 15. 90 divided by 5, doubling of 90 is 180, remove last 0, the answer is 18. So to divide by 5, double the dividend and remove last 0. Here are few questions for practice. Pause the video, solve it and cross check your answers with the key. Thank you.